Right everyone, welcome to part 2 of the journey. My legendary Sherpa has taken the rest of the afternoon off. I'm carrying my own gear. That was hairy, the first episode. There's the Matterhorn. This place is amazing. It's beautiful. Nilesh, what do you think?
It's pretty shit actually, yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually terrible.
Yeah.
To be
I mean, look at the state of this place.
Yeah.
I mean, I think London is a lot better.
I'd much rather be in London.
Yeah. Maybe we should just get the...
Maybe we should get the f out of here.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Don't ever come here. We're debating whether to go down to that glacier and then to that lake. Okay. I mean, that's all glacier. It's just amazing. I keep saying amazing. But I think we're going to trek down here, along there, to that lake over there. And I think that's the same level as the glacier. And we might even check the glacier out. So I'm going to do another little vlog. I'm going to film a little bit of it going down. But I'm just wary of my battery. So it's not going to be like the climb that I did in the last episode, because that was crazy. Catch you in a bit. Cool, look at that. That looks cool. The grey mountain like going down like that. That looks wicked. Oh look, there's little rivers going down there and streams. Oh, you could just explore this place forever. It's... oh, I need to move. I need to catch up with him. He's been waiting for me all bloody day. So that's where the glacier was.
So you can see that it's now down to there, but it would have actually gone all the way down this entire valley. So this whole valley,
yeah,
between here and there, maybe, I don't know how many years ago, but
that was the proper glacier.
Millions of years ago, this would be an entire glacier.
Damn.
So valleys like this are carved by glaciers. Over time they retreat. And they've retreated in the past before too, but not like this.
Mr. Scientist over here.
Yeah.
You are... He's actually a scientist. He's like
I don't do glaciers though. So
he's a mad scientist. He's told me about his plans. He's definitely a mad scientist. Just look at him.
Yeah, exactly. The hair, right? I'm going for that Albert Einstein look.
Yeah, you're halfway there, mate.
Yeah, halfway there.
Stick with me and your hair will turn grey in no time. It's melting. Ice. This silt is like moon dust, like shiny and powdery. Oh gosh. Of course Nilesh is ahead, and those two other people jogged right past me. They ran right past me, and I said I didn't break my boots in, and they're like, oh damn. Yeah, amateur hour. I mean, this should break my boots in, I mean, in theory, but I feel like this trail is more for trainers.
Probably about a K, 800 meters out to a K.
Oh, okay.
Which will take about 15 minutes. All right.
15 minutes, he says. With me, 2 days. Did you bring a tent with you? I've got a torch. We can camp up here.
Yeah.
If you come here, make sure you break your boots in. My God, this is painful. Painful. So this has finally gone flatter. Not as rocky, so much better. Nilesh is ahead of me because I keep stopping to bloody take photos because I'm a bloody tourist. Yeah, this is great. This is so cool. Just check the views out. Check this out. Look at that. Look. We're almost there. I keep saying that. And the terrain is a lot better. It has flattened out and it's more relaxing. I'm trying to speed up. I am trying to speed up, believe it or not. I'm just numbing the pain in my mind. Seems to be working right now. So yeah, I'll catch up in a bit. It's like walking in wooden clogs. Oh.
It always does. Yeah, it seems to be a bit deceiving.
Everything's deceiving, mate. It looks so easy from up there.
I know.
Right, the moment of truth, we're there. Let's climb these rocks. More rocks and more rocks. Ah. Some nice moss. Nice and soft. And here we are. awesome. Just feel like jumping in and downing all of it.
What's that?
And downing all the water.
Oh.
Right, we're back at the train station. Get one last view of this beautiful. Look at that. That was epic. Epic, tough. I'm really glad I did it. Recommend it to anyone. But just come a bit more. Wear your boots in. Get yourself a Sherpa. See you in the next one.